This is my project Oolong.xyz, and it's automatic balance management for Gnosis Pay. Essentially it's the second bounty that I was working on, and yeah, pretty simple. So I've written a balance controller solidity contract that is enabled on the delay module, and the idea is that you can hold SDI, and then in the balance controller you set the euro balance that you want to maintain, and then keeper bots monitor the euro balance and they update the balance when needed. And yeah, in terms of business model, so users can get yield and we'll charge a small fee and split that 50-50 between our network and the keeper bots. In terms of the code, so I've written this contract here. Essentially these parts here are just the interfaces for 1inch, and then the first thing that happens is we have a constructor here where we set our euro target balance and our delay module address, the Gnosis Pay token, which is just the euro ERC20, and our safe address, and then what we do is we set the target balance. So because it's going to be very difficult to get the exact balance, there's a buffer which is just a percentage of, you can think of it as a bit like slippage, that you're allowed to, that the account is allowed to go above or below the target. I've just set that to 2%, so this function just calculates that and sets it all in the contract. This is just a helper function to get the balance, euro balance of the user, the safe. And then yeah, this is the main function, so it's a top-up function, and there's a couple of checks in there. So first we just get the current balance, the euro balance, and then we, based on the amount that the keeper bot is trying to update the balance, we just calculate the new balance, and then we check that the new balance is going to be within the acceptable range of the euro balance of the account. There's also a check here just to prevent Sybil attacks and anybody just making lots and lots of small orders, small updates. Yeah, and then if the keeper bot passes those checks, then we construct the data, which is just the swap function on the 1inch contract. And yeah, this is the data that's needed. Essentially, I'm just trying to swap SDI into euro. And then yeah, here is just the function that executes the transaction on the delay module. Haven't quite got this working, to be honest, but it is connecting to the delay module. So we'll try and do like a live demo. Okay, so that's just going on mainnet, and you can see the transaction is going through. And now we can see that's gone through. The transaction's successful on chain, and yeah, here I've got this warning that it's a malicious transaction, but obviously it's not, because I know that it's me. And yeah, when I try to execute the function, it fails, unfortunately. But yeah, still quite happy. I've managed to connect to my delay module and it's queuing the transaction. So I just need to work out how to get the 1inch data correct, and I think that should work. Everything's deployed on mainnet, so you can see the contract here, and these are all the transactions that I've been making. I've really enjoyed this project and I'd love to keep working on it. So yeah, feel free to get in contact with me or anything. But yeah, really enjoyed it. I'm going to carry on working on this. Really fun project, so thanks.